welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. I am really excited to share with you this here wig. I have been wearing it for the past month. I've washed it, I've styled it curly. Today I actually used a waver and added wave to this beautiful style. This is one of Jon Renau's new human hair wigs. This is part of the Jon Renau Reimagined human hair collection that just recently launched. And they had 4 gorgeous human hair wigs, and this one right here is called Phoenix. This color I absolutely love. I've always loved it. I've loved it in synthetic. I love it in human hair. This is 24BT18S8. Let's talk about the 4 wigs launched this month in the Reimagined collection by Jon Renau. The first one is Layla. It is so beautiful. Here's a look at that one. Next is Colby. And then you have Brandy. And of course, lastly, you have this gorgeous Phoenix. Here is my Phoenix styled wavy, and here is the model photo of Phoenix. This collection by Jon Renau features 100% Chinese Remy human hair. This hair is very soft, very luscious. It dries beautifully. It feels wonderful. It has a very soft texture. I just really love this hair. Now, I do own some human hair wigs by Jon Renau that has their Chinese Indian human hair mix. It has more texture. It dries with more wave, and it requires a little bit more smoothing if you want more of that sleek look because of the type of hair that you have within those human hair wigs. Do I like those wigs? Do I like those toppers? Yes, I really do. But I am loving this Chinese Remy human hair in this new collection by Jon Renau. You just have long-lasting shine and silkiness with this hair. Phoenix features long layers, and then with this wig you have a fully hand-tied back. You do not have a lace front. You can kind of see right here, there is no lace front. So usually with a wig that doesn't have a lace front, you'll see a wispy bang, a side swept bang, some sort of curtain or fringe that's swept on the forehead. I do have this wig split in the middle, but as you can see, it's still on my forehead, and I'm not going to pull this wig away from the face. I actually wore this beautiful style in my family pictures, and I've worn it, like I mentioned, for the last month. It washed beautifully, it dried wonderful, and it styles fantastic. So the top isn't just a monofilament top, it's a double monofilament top. So it's very durable and it feels fantastic against the head. Now, of course, with human hair, you can style this hair however you wish. Like I mentioned, I have worn it wavy, more straight, kind of curly. So what you see here is not what you're going to get out of the box. It has more of a nice, smooth finish with the ends slightly curled. But that is the wonderful thing about having something that's human hair, is you can change it up. You can style it with your heat tools as if the hair is growing out of your scalp. I love that. I also love that this cap is fully hand tied. I feel like when you're in the wind, you're out in the elements, your hair is moving to and fro, it's not going to lift, you're not going to see any wefts. The hair movement just is very natural. It has a more natural flow because all those hairs are individually hand tied. Also, if you want to pull it up, it will move into those hairstyles more like the hair would when it's growing out of your scalp. I feel like hand-tied caps are very comfortable. They have this stretchy section. It really does feel like a warm hug for your head. My first wig from Jon Renau was very similar to this cap construction. It was a Camilla by Jon Renau, and it did not have a lace front. I usually wore it in a blunt bang. I absolutely loved that wig and still love it to this day. The comfort is phenomenal. I love this cap construction. Now, this front isn't just a harsh, blunt edge. You do have a 1/8 folded Swiss lace. This allows for a more natural appearance. Now let's do a full turnaround so you guys can see this beautiful phoenix from all angles, view those layers and the length. Now, of course, I do have these waves, so if this was fully straight, you would see that it is even longer. I touch this hair a lot because it really does feel so good. Okay, let's take this beauty off and show you guys the underside. So what you have here is this polyurethane strip for use with adhesive if needed. And here you see that folded Swiss lace, 1/8 inch folded Swiss lace, which helps the wig offer a more seamless, natural appearance, even without a lace front. Then what you have is your double monofilament top, which allows multi-directional parting while providing the appearance of natural growth. I love having this type of base construction, and I love having that large area for multi-directional parting. And then what you have is a 100% hand-tied cap. Each hair is individually hand-tied, creating the appearance of natural growth. You have this 100% hand-tied stretch section, which allows customized stretch from front to back and ear to ear. Then, of course, you have your velvet ear tabs and your velvet nape, which allows smooth customization with that bendable wire. You have those adjustable tabs, which allows the wearer to adjust the circumference of their wig. As far as hair care, they do recommend washing your human hair wigs every 6 to 8 wears. And another thing is that they do recommend performing a check wash on any human hair system within 14 days of receiving your wig. Okay, let's put her back on. Okay, let's talk about Shaded Mocha, which is that code 24BT18S8. Shaded Mocha is a medium natural ash blonde and a light gold blonde, and it's all blended. And then you have it shaded or rooted with a medium brown. I've always loved Shaded Mocha. I think you have more of a blonde look to it because you have that medium natural ash blonde, but it's not brown. You have that light golden blonde along with it, all blended beautifully. And then, of course, that lovely root. I do love a medium brown root, and I feel like this root, it's a great root. It doesn't look too warm. I feel like when a root is too warm, it almost looks like you went and got your hair colored and you have like hot roots. So yeah, I feel like this medium brown is right on the money with your, medium. It's not too ashy. It's not, it's not warm. It's not red. It just looks like a beautiful neutral medium brown root. Now, Phoenix is an average size wig. This wig, I love this cap, like I mentioned before. I wear average in the majority of wig brands. The circumference of my head is 21.5 inches, and from front to nape and ear to ear, this here Phoenix fits me like a glove. Now, the bang on Phoenix is 10 inches. Your crown is 17.5 inches. The nape on Phoenix is 14.5 inches. Your sides are 12.5 inches, and the total weight for Phoenix is 6.1 ounces. I do feel like this wig has some bulk to it. I don't feel like it's overly bulky, but it's not super duper stringy light. I would say that it's medium density, right in the middle. Really right in the middle. You do have some fullness, especially depending on how you style the hair. So because I have these waves, it adds, volume and bulk to it, and I'm all for it. I love the density of this here wig, and I love the texture of the Chinese Remy human hair, and I love the length and the layers as well. I'm just overall very impressed with Phoenix by Jon Renau. So you'll have to check out the other wigs in this lovely launch by Jon Renau. I will have a store locator down below, so you can, reach out to a brick and mortar location or an online location and go ahead and look at the Jon Renau products. and their wigs, and you know, seek advice and help from those different stores who offer these Jon Renau pieces and products. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Go follow me on Instagram. I want to thank you guys for watching and for your support. I appreciate you guys, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.